It's a really difficult
dynamic.
He's
been linked with Leverkusen, actually, hasn't he?
But when you've had a great team, like that was the beauty that Alex Ferguson found, that he could change that great team, get rid of those, and obviously Roy Keane's nose got put out of joint in that process.
Beckham,
of changing the team around. And that's what Pep is going through now. He's rotating a Champions League winning team. He's still got them in the Champions League. He's obviously got great players still, but he has got an adjustment to make it a complete sphere of a new team to challenge Liverpool.
Man United had to sacrifice Ruud van Nistelrooy to bring through Rooney, Ronaldo and Tevez, didn't they? They had to sort of decide that they were going to move in that direction. It happens.
It's a skill, knowing when to rebuild a team that has been delivering silverware